Hello everyone. So we're just going to have a very quick unpacking of Hydro Flask. So what shall I show more regarding this one? Um, well, I bought this in Lazada during the 11/11 event. So there's nothing much to show, but let me just check if there are any dents because there was one review that uh, it was delivered with the dent. So far, it's good. So I have shown you straight from the Lazada packaging or how they pack the items so that you can be assured or you would know how they pack Hydro Flask. And I don't know why, or maybe they have improved their packaging since they got that review. All right. So just for you to know, Hydro Flask is known for insulated water bottle, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So what I'm going to show you is how to dismantle this cover. Just remove this. I think during our first purchase of Hydro Flask in the mall store, they have a demo on how they remove this, so I might as well show you on how to dismantle this cover. So first you just twist it here. Oh no, wait. Yeah, first twist at the top. There you go. Then you twist at the bottom. Right? And then just remove this also. So you can thoroughly clean the cover. See? That's the good part of this cover. And it has you can sip you can sip onto it. So putting it back, you start with one. So you put this one. There you go. And then you put the rubber. And then lastly, you put back the top part. Then you see that red part? I hope you see it there. So you have to twist it further from that. There. So if you twist it further than that, you can sip into it. And if you want to lock it, you just have to show the red. So let me just have a close up so you could see. So this one you could there. So it has a lock, so you won't get further there on the twist. But if you go back here on the red and then you twist it more so that you can loosen it. So okay, I guess I don't have much anything to say about Hydro Flask because it's a known brand. But if you have questions regarding the product, you can comment down on the video. Also, we will post our latest reviews, if there are any for this product, on our description. So that's basically it for now. until our next unpacking.